Hey, what's up? Hi. How you guys doing? You look pretty good, London. Thank you.
Oh, there it is, Fabby. You guys are acting like you haven't seen us yet today. We just saw you like 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, we're best friends.
Yeah. Yeah. We love you.
Oh yeah.
Who's that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you make
Which
me feel so good.
which of you people were here at the last London show?
Oh, pretty much all of you were. That's right.
Snap. Heck yes.
It's all good.
You're here now. That's what matters, right?
She was on holiday.
What do you say?
What's up? On holiday. What is that? That
vacation.
That means
like, vacation.
Vacation.
I just said vacation.
That's it.
Ellington. I was at an airport once, and we were going through like the terminals, and this lady was like, talking. Oh, you're from Colorado, whatever. She was like, oh, where are you just from? And I was like, and I said, well, we were on holiday in Puerto Rico, and I don't know why I said it, but she was like, oh, you're from England. And I was like, I felt so cool because I wanted to be like, yeah, I'm from England, you know.
And right there's the turning point. She would have been like, no, you're not.
But I was like, no, I don't know why I said holiday. I just thought it was cool. So yeah.
It was.
It's a very cool word. Yeah.
True that.
You have a question? A present?
True that.
Is it gonna bite me or something?
Ooh. Oh, it's a Kinder egg.
I know what this is.
What is it?
Oh. Catch.
You stink.
Is it for everybody?
Yes, throw things at us. Throw things at us.
I'm gonna catch this.
Guys, they're throwing eggs at us. They're throwing eggs at us. That's right, I'm good at baseball.
Hey, crap!
Were you aiming for
another one?
That literally was like,
Wow.
hit the, and then hit
You
the
know,
floor.
these aren't allowed in the States.
What?
They're illegal.
What is it?
They have like things in the middle.
Yeah, they are
like,
illegal in the States.
It's a
Because
surprise.
they're chocolate-covered toys.
Oh, heck yes.
people smuggle these into the States.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, through the airport. I'm gonna go through airport security, and they're gonna be like, do you have a Kinder Surprise? And I'm like, no.
They're gonna like arrest you and all that. That'd be hilarious.
Where you hide that Kinder Surprise?
Anyway, so if you haven't been to the meet and greet before, we take pictures, and now we're gonna do like a Q&A bit. So whoever has questions, you look like you might have been first up. So